In this chapter you will learn when and how to use types in TIA Portal. Types is one of two ways of using the libraries integrated in TIA Portal. The other is known as master copies. In other words, when storing an object in your library, you can choose whether you want to save it as a master copy or as a type. Let us assume that you have an object, such as a function block, in your project, and this object is constantly being enhanced and modified. If you do not want to make this modification manually at every point in your project, you can simply store this object as a type in your library. Any changes to this type are automatically versioned and applied to all instances within the project as required. Types, as part of the library concept, are an easy way to add functionalities, fix errors, and even implement company-wide standards. The benefits are clear. Sources of errors are minimized and the amount of work required to manage major automation solutions involving many individual projects is reduced. How is that done in the TIA Portal? If you want to reuse and then further develop objects, such as function blocks from your project, you can add them to the project library as types. These types are then linked to the corresponding element from the project. Types and their instances are indicated by a black triangle. Just like program elements, you can also store HMI objects as types or define several image objects as types at the same time, thus creating an image block. Image blocks, data types, styles and format templates for HMIs can also be created directly in the library's task card. The instances of types in a project are read-only. If you want to make changes to a function block, you need to edit the relevant type in the library. A new version is then issued automatically during the editing process. You can approve or discard your new version once you have modified and tested the function block. When you approve it, you can change the proposed version number and update all instances in the project at the same time. The types created in this way can be sent to a global library, so that the new version can be shared with team members or across the company. The new version is automatically added to the target library. Anyone with access to this library can now use the latest version of the tested and approved function block in their project. It is also easy to update instances of the function block that are already present in your project. Types in the TIA Portal allow you to standardize frequently used functions, version all your changes, and easily share them company-wide.